Hey, if you're thinking about selling your home in Richmond Village this spring, there are a few important things that you should know before putting that sign on the front lawn. Spring is traditionally the busiest real estate season in Richmond, and while that means more buyers are active, it doesn't necessarily and automatically mean every home sells quickly or for top dollar. Strategy matters. Richmond Village attracts a specific type of buyer. Families looking for larger lots, buyers coming from Canada who want a quieter feel, and often Canadian Armed Forces members relocating on a tight timeline. Understanding who your buyer is changes how your home should be priced and presented. One of the biggest mistakes I see in the spring market is overpricing based on last year's numbers. The market shifts, interest rates shift, buyers' confidence definitely shifts, and if a home sits for too long in Richmond, it loses momentum quickly. The first 7 to 10 days on the market are critical. That's when your listing gets the most attention. Pricing properly from day one gives you leverage. In Richmond specifically, buyers pay close attention to the condition of the yard, overall maintenance of the home, and whether the systems like the roof, the furnace, or the windows have been updated. Richmond buyers aren't just buying square footage, they're buying lifestyle. They're buying quiet streets, they're buying space, and they're buying that small town feel just minutes from the city. If you're even considering selling your home this spring, the smartest first step isn't listing. It's understanding your home's current value and what you're competing against. Online estimates rarely account for the lot size, renovations layout, or the backing on the green space, all of which matter in this neighborhood. If you'd like a clear breakdown of what your home could realistically sell for in today's Richmond market, I'm happy to put that together for you. No pressure, just real numbers and smart strategy from Mallory and I. Hey, and if you're not sure whether this spring is the right time to sell, we can talk through that too. Richmond is a unique pocket within Ottawa, and local experience makes a huge difference. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help.